It's time to spec smarter, not harder, with RIB SpecLink. With SpecLink, you'll be able to produce your specifications faster, more accurately, and more up to date than the traditional format, which is slower, more cumbersome, and definitely less efficient. Hi, my name is Dory Azar, and I'm going to be showing you the top 10 reasons you should be using SpecLink for your next project. Feature number 1, it's a software and a database. SpecLink isn't just software. It's a smart, built-in database designed to make spec writing faster and more efficient. You can use our vetted content, import your own, or do a mix of both. With our Specs by Inclusion, you don't have to waste time deleting irrelevant sections. Just opt into what you need and leave out the rest. The information is always there just in case you change your mind. Feature number 2, it does a lot of the thinking for you. Spec writing shouldn't feel like detective work. SpecLink's intelligent linking system helps by activating related content as you make selections, suggesting additional details you might need, and even flagging conflicts in your specs with green, yellow, and red indicators. This means fewer errors, less back and forth, and more confidence in your documents. Feature number 3, choose product details from a pull-down list. Say goodbye to deleting unnecessary fields or copy-pasting from past projects. With SpecLink's choice fields, they allow you to select products or features from a pull-down list, ensuring accuracy and consistency. Once you make a selection, the system keeps that information connected to your spec so you won't lose track of the key details as the project evolves. Feature number 4, up-to-date standards, always. Keeping up with reference standards can be a full-time job, but not with SpecLink. As part of your subscription, our in-house spec content team continuously updates reference standards so you don't have to. When you write specs in SpecLink, you can be confident that your references align with the latest standards relevant to your project. Feature number 5, find your content faster. Ever spent too much time scrolling through a massive document to find one subsection or article? SpecLink's document map eliminates that frustration. Just click on the section you need and you're there instantly. It's a simple tool that makes navigating your specs as fast and intuitive as possible. Feature number 6, see what you want when you want it. SpecLink lets you choose how much detail you want to see at any given time. With Toggle Spec View, you can switch between full spec, outline, or short form spec modes in an instant. Whether you need to focus on high-level details or drill down into the specifics, SpecLink adjusts to your needs with a single click. Feature number 7, your old specs can transfer over. If you've been working in a word processor and don't want to lose your existing specs, SpecLink has you covered. Simply import your files and they become fully editable within SpecLink. From there, you could take advantage of SpecLink's smart features while keeping the content you've already developed. Feature number 8, update headers and footers globally. Manually adjusting headers and footers page by page is a thing of the past. With SpecLink's global terms, you can update your headers, footers, and project-wide terminology in one place, and all the changes will apply across your entire document. It's a small feature with big impact that saves you tons of time. Feature number 9, reformat your entire spec with one click. Tired of reformatting your specs every time project requirements change? With Apply Template, you can reformat your entire spec with one click. Whether you need a different layout view, a new numbering style, or a fresh format for a submission, SpecLink handles it instantly. Feature number 10, print for book specs or sheet specs. Some projects require full book specs, while others need compact sheet specs to fit right into their drawings. SpecLink lets you do both. With just one click, you can generate a full book-style spec or reformat the exact same content into sheet specs designed to fit into your drawings. Okay, let's do one bonus feature, SpecLink Support and Education. Great software is only as good as the support system behind it, and SpecLink delivers. Our dedicated support team and education opportunities are here to help with everything from onboarding to troubleshooting. We offer free, live, or on-demand onboarding training, dedicated support by phone or email, and free bi-weekly webinars to make sure you're benefiting from the spec writing community we've built here. Like what you've heard about SpecLink? Get in touch for your free one-on-one demo and trial today.